Well, you know, the sky's the limit. Like I said, he's super talented, and you know, with a great company. He's got all the pieces to puzzle to put it together. I was always known for having great work ethic and in the training end, and so that's where I came into play.
I definitely want to be up on the podium and battling with the best guys in the world. Winning 2 championships in the 2 class was great for me to learn a lot of things, what it takes to be consistent all year.